Okay, so let's go ahead and add the furniture first of all. So I will just simply add a few furniture things, okay, and then you can design your own furniture inside this house. Because our previous video was also a bit lengthy, so I don't want this video to be lengthy. I will just show you that how you can add furniture, and then you can add that furniture anywhere inside this mansion, okay. As you know that we have already added the furniture, so we can just go in here, okay. And before adding any furniture, let's go inside the gangster house. Right here, create an empty game object by the name of furniture, and now in here we will add all of the furniture which we will be using. So for example, right here outside we want to add this table, so I will just simply add this table right here, okay. Here is the table. Then in front of this table I want a sofa like this, okay. So I will add this sofa in this direction, and then let's just simply duplicate this sofa. I don't know if this is the sofa or whatever it called, but I will just simply call this a sofa, okay. I will just change this to minus now, and as you can see it is on the other side now. So in this way you can add different furniture, and once you added that, then just simply drag and drop it inside the furniture game object, okay. As you can see they are added. Now for example, let's add some furniture right here as well. Right here we will add some three-seater sofa. For example, this one, let's rotate it on 180, and then in front of this let's add some table like this, okay. And once you do that, simply drag and drop this inside the furniture, and then click on the furniture and click on prefab, unpack completely. And now as you can see the furniture is being added. So in this way you can add different furniture inside your game. Now in the boss room right here, the main villain of our game will sleep on this bed, so right here we can add some furniture as well. For example, some chairs, maybe these chairs, okay. So let's add these chairs. Let's just duplicate this one, move it up there, and let's use the minus right here, and let's move it there. Then in front of this we will add this table right there, okay. Then just simply select all of it, click on prefab, unpack completely, and then add it inside the furniture. After this, let's add the mirror, okay. Right here, let's rotate it on 90, for example. Actually use minus 90, and then let's just move it closer to the wall like that, okay. And then add it inside the furniture, and then click on prefab, unpack completely. That's it. So in this way you can add your own furniture. This furniture actually doesn't suit our mansion because our mansion seems really advanced and really modern, and this furniture looks old school. But I am just showing you that how you can add your own furniture, and I hope you understand how you can add different furniture items now, okay. So you can just go ahead and find some other furniture pack for your game, and then just try to add that furniture inside your game like this, okay. So with our furniture added now, let's add the vehicles now in the garage, okay. I will just add some few vehicles, and I will show you how you can add vehicles, okay. It is really simple. Just click on this and then prefab, and for example, if you want to add this vehicle, then for that, first of all, in the gangster house we will need to create a new game object by the name of cars. And now let's, for example, drag and drop this car, okay. Then Once you add this car, add this inside the car's game object and add a component to this by the name of box collider, and then just simply resize the box collider so that it fits this car. Okay, like this. So we have added the first car. Now we can just simply click on prefab, unpack completely, and in here let's remove the mesh collider. Then we can add this black car as well if you want. So add this black one, move it up there, add it inside the cars, and click on prefab, unpack completely. Then let's add the other cars as well, these ones. So now we will add this car right there. Okay, and let's add the other one, and actually we will rotate this one on the other side. So let's make this 180. Select both of them, add this inside the cards, click on prefab, unpack completely. That is it. Okay, so in this way you can add the vehicles for the gangster. Okay, and after the vehicles, now we will add the chopper, or you can say the helicopter. So if you click on it, we can just simply drag and drop this right there, and as you can see the size of it is really bigger. Okay, so we need to resize this. So if you click on it, then right here let's make the size of it as 0.2, for example. Click on apply, and now as you can see it is being resized. If you click on the chopper, let's move it down below, and let's move this chopper right here. Okay, and let's just drag and drop it inside the cars. Then click on it all as well, click on prefab, unpack completely. Then you can add the vehicles right here outside of the mention. Okay, as I told you, just drag and drop them. Okay, for example, let's duplicate these two cars and let's move them outside, for example right here. That's it. Let's delete that one and let's duplicate this one. Okay, and add it right there. That is it. So in this way you can add different vehicles to the mention. Okay, now if we simply play the game again, let's check it out in the full screen. Okay, as you can see here it is, this is the chopper. I think the chopper size is a lot more smaller, so we need to resize that. Okay, but if we see the vehicles, okay, this vehicles has the mesh collider, so that's why we can't just go inside the vehicle. Okay, so you don't need to add the box collider to the vehicle, but we need to add the collider to this chopper, and also let's increase the size of it as well a little bit. So if you go inside the cars, let's click on transport chopper, delete it, add it again, click on this, and let's make the size of it as 0.5 or 0.4. Let's check the 0.3 now. Let's play the game. Let's check it out now. Okay, here it is now. The chopper size is, I think, a lot more smaller as well. So let's just make the size of it as 0.4, and that will be it. Okay, let's just not waste any more time on this. Let's click on prefab, unpack completely, and also let's add the mesh collider to the chopper as well. Let's focus on the chopper and let's move this chopper outside of the ground like that. Okay, and also remove the animation from this chopper, because we don't want the wings of this chopper to be animated. We just want it to be stopped. Now let's check it out again. As you can see, here is the chopper, and then here is the vehicles. And let's check out the chopper. Okay, we can't now just go inside the chopper. Okay, the mesh collider is being added to it. So now we have the chopper, we have these beautiful vehicles added inside the player mansion as well. I mean the gangster mansion, as you can see. Okay, and outside of the mansion as well, we have the furniture right here as well, as you can see. And if you check the first floor, where is the stairs? Okay, here it is. Let's go ahead right here at the top. Okay, here are the furniture. Okay, so now with our furniture and everything added, let's end this video right here.